Daddy, Mommy, Tia. Subscribe the channel.
Dito kami sa Las Piñas. Kasama ko ang lahat. Tata Jai. Say hello! 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 Katapos namin dito sa 2 hours na occupational therapy at speech therapy. Maglalaro sila. Festival na lang tayo para hindi tayo matraffic mamaya.
Festival saan?
Festival Mall, dun sa may malapit din sa Sakayan.
Talaga?
Oo. Kasi kung sa SM South Mall tayo, maglalaro. Hirapan tayo.
Ano yan sa SM Mall?
Tours to, 1 to 2, tapos 2 to 3. Tapos, yun, yung therapy ni Jonah. Ay, mainit na. Kanina, ulan-ulan. Kanina pag-alis namin sa bahay, maulan. Pupunta lang kami sa 7-Eleven. At ang init dito na. Nainit pa si ano yung Buliday. Ang laki na dyan ito. Agi mo, parang buntis.
A few moments later.
Uh-oh. Hatiin ulit si Jonah. Let's try this piece. Kaya mo na eh. Come on. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Good job! Okay, good job. Okay, oh, you jump.
This is your paper
Circles.
You will ask
Jump.
your class
Go.
about
Okay, jump.
what
Go.
they like to eat, to
Jump.
watch,
Jump.
and play.
Good job.
Next turn.
Okay, let's find the
Later on
bunny.
SM.
Where's the bunny?
That's it.
Where's the little bunny? There you go. Let's go back.
Oh, yes.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Jump. Jump. Jonah, you're looking at it again. You jump. 1, 2, 3. Jump.
You try.
Okay, sit down.
That's very
Okay,
important.
have a couple more left. This one is a horse. Neigh.
Brian.
Neigh.
Brian, you
One more.
ask your class.
Neigh.
First, you ask.
Hoy, nakatingin ka na naman. Up. Neigh.
Oh, you ask your classmate.
You say it muna.
What
Neigh.
you ask
Yeah, okay, good try. This is a horse.
Brian.
Can you look at me? Hi. Look at me, look at me. Let's try. Horse.
Moses.
Can you see?
I'll get this.
Let's
Not
try.
not listening na.
Jonah.
Ask your classmate.
Look at me.
Moses.
Cute yan. Cute yan. Oh, look at me. Horse. Uh-oh. You're okay.
You answer.
Well, let's try.
Your answer class.
Neigh.
What?
Good job. This is a
Moses.
horse.
What do you want to eat?
This is in a sheep. It goes neigh.
What do you like to eat?
Neigh. Yay, good job. For the horse. Okay, sige po. Hold it. Oh, sige na. Open na po. Okay. Oh, let's see.
Moses
Can
like
we
to
jump?
eat French fries.
Jump.
What does Moses like to eat?
1, 2, 3. Jump.
What does Moses like to eat?
Okay, good job. 1, 2, 3. Jump.
Good
Good job. Okay. Where's the horse?
Good.
Wow! It's the horse! Oh, last one! Last one we're looking for the cow. Let's... Ay, come in. Na-late na yung jump mo. Okay. Sit properly. Last one. This is a cow. It goes moo. Moo. Can you do that?
How do you spell it?
po, ito po. Ito, this one. Jonah, oh, I found it. You said please.
Jose, pray in this time.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Yan. It's a cow. It says moo. Moo. Ayun. Moo. Bye-bye. Okay. Let's place the cow. Let's place the cow. Can you try to say cow?
Yep.
That's a cow. Good job. Ang galing ng imitation. Okay, let's go. Uh-oh. Oh, you get it. I'll help you hold it.
Let's take a video. Huh? Oh yeah, she gave it to you. Yes. Okay, let's try again. Let's try. Let's try first. Okay. First turn is Ate Jaya. Ate Jaya, give heart. Give heart. Okay, next. Ate Jaya, you give this to Jonah. Give. Yes, give. Okay. Turn ni Ate Jaya next. Ate Jaya, give triangle. Okay, next Ate Jaya. Kay Jonah, turn. Give. Yes, give. Give half round. Ate Jaya, you say give. Okay. Yan. Okay, good. Next, Ate Jaya, give oval. Give oval. Okay, Ate Jaya, can you give to Jonah? Basta magsabi ka ng give. Lakas ka. Give. Yan. Yeah. Okay, Ate Jaya's turn. Give rectangle. Give rectangle. Wait for your turn. Ate Jaya, give to Jonah. Give hexagon. Yeah, hexagon. Good job. Ate Jaya, give pentagon. We want to give kay Jonah? Let's try. Give. Give. Okay, good.
Let's look. Look at the boy. What is the boy doing? Sleep. Jonah, look. Sleeping.
Let's try.
Sleep, sleep, sleep.
Let's try to get
Sleep, sleep, sleep. Sleeping. Okay. You want to pound? It's okay. Oh, you want to pound? Give. And pound color green.
get
Green. Okay. Stop. Oh, can you get sleep? Where is sleeping? Sleeping. Get sleep, sleep,
Good morning,
sleep.
teacher.
Sleep, sleep, sleep. No. Sleeping. Yeah. This is sleeping. Okay, good.
Okay. Okay, good job, ate. Oh, Jonah, eat. Yeah. Okay, ate. Oh, hindi natin aagawin, di ba? Kailangan give din. Ate, dito po. Ate, sit down po. Okay. Oh, lagay ulit natin dito sa gitna. Oh, Ate Julia, hingiin natin kay Jonah ice cream. Pakita mo nga paano. Pakita mo paano mo hihingiin kay Jonah. Yan, very good. Yum.
It's 100 best number.
Yeah, very good. That's chocolate ice cream. Diba ate, chocolate to? Chocolate ba to?
Cookie.
Cookies ice cream. Okay. Ate, kukunin mo na kay Jonah. So, mag-ano ka? Ate,
huwag mo kunin agad. So, sabihin mo rin, Jonah, can I have? Oh, yun. Tapos Jonah magbibigay sa'yo. Yay! Ate, tingin ka dito. Oh, yun. Thank you.
Thank you for your ice cream.
Thank you for your ice cream. Okay.
Let's try again.
Oh, let's try again. Oh, ask mo ulit si Jonah ano gusto niya. Okay, ask mo si Jonah ano gusto niya. What do you like my flavor? Jonah wants strawberry and vanilla. Yes. Gawin mo nga si Jonah ng strawberry and vanilla ice cream. Yes. Okay, gagawa ka ni ate ice cream. Ice cream! Okay. Ang sarap naman yan. Ang sarap. Wow! Ice cream ni ate, oh! Yeah, ice cream! Okay.
Give.
Jonah, give daw. Wow, very good. Thank you, ate. Thank you.
It's almost na.
Ate, syempre, give mo yung cone. Sabi mo, Jonah, give. Yan, very good.
Yun na.
A few inches later.
Hello! Tapos kami ng session ni Jonah, occupational therapy at speech therapy. Ang gawin na kami sa Festival Mall. Ito yung gusto niya. Makasakay sa cart. Naglalaro sila doon sa playground sa may landmark. Ayan. Kakatapos ng therapy ni Jonah. Playground pa sila kaya magastos ang lang Saturday day. Napagod na ako, siya naman magtutulang. Ayan. Pasok na kami sa festival. Init. Jonah! Sarap buhay ni Jonah. Ayan ang mag-ama ko. Hello, Jonah. Nandito na kami sa Festival Mall. Yay! Nandito kami sa loob ng Decathlon ba to? Ayun sila, naglalaro. Free pa dito, free. Jonah, come back. Jonah! Ayun si daddy niya. Hayaan mo, gang. Marunong naman siya eh. Uy, wag ka dyan, skate. Hey! Shh. Delikado, Jonah, no? Palit kay Jaya, hindi niya kaya. Dito ka na sa bike. O, pwede mo, ibigay mo kay Jonah yun. Oh! Ay!
Ano sa akin?
Dito libre pa dito eh. Ayan sila. Sa Decathlon. Pero maglalaro pa kami mamaya dito sa playground. Nandito na kami sa landmark. Kasi doon kami sa palaruan nila. Ayan. Sa Alabang. Wow, doon pala maganda eh, oh. Doon pala maganda maglaro, Jaya, oh. Ayun, oh. May park.
Hi guys, nandito kami sa time zone kasi hindi carry yung bayad doon. Hindi siya practical. So, dito kami sa time zone na lang. At mag-enjoy naman yung mga bata. At pagkatapos nito, pupunta na kami sa Botanical Garden. So far, enjoy na lang muna namin dito sa time zone. Okay, let's go!
Kasi gusto ng mga bata dito sa may parang park. Kaya, doon sila. Hello, sana hindi umulan, oh. May payong naman kami, kaya lang. Ayun, Jaya, oh, mayroon pala yung daanan. Ayan, saan ba ang daanan nito? Ayun, oh, yung may ilaw. Yung pala ang entrance noon. Lobster pot. Wow. Ayan, bebe, buksan mo. Open mo. Daan kami sa may bridge. Sa may bridge na may ilaw-ilaw. Ang dumi sa kamay? Tubo mo daw, bebe? Yung puti sa akin. Thank you. Inabot na kami ng gabi. Yan, pasok na kami ng tren. Hello, Jonah. Kasi yung last trip ng tren is 8 o'clock. Yan, inabot na kami ng 8 o'clock. Kumain na kami sa Jollibee. Para pagdating namin, pag uwi namin, hindi na kami kakain. Diretso na magpapahinga. Kasakay lang kami ng tricycle. Papunta ng PNR tren. Hello, Juna. Hello. Hello, mama. Matama ko. Dito yung sakay ng tricycle. Dito na kami sa tren. Hello. Hi. Marunong ko palang mag-smile kanina pag pinapa-smile ka. Jaya. Pauwi na kami. 8:02 yung last trip. 7:36 pa lang. So mga ano pa lang. 24 minutes pa kami mag-aantay dito. Diba, Jonah? Inabot na kami ng gabi. Hi! Hi! Hello! Nakapasok Pasok na kami sa loob ng friend. 8 o'clock na. 8:03 alis. Tanggal lang ng ulo. Lipat sa kabila. Galing doon yung ulo nun sa dulo. Lipat doon sa kabila. Hello. Mahal kasi sa jumping. Mas maganda pa sa Kinder City. Mag-jump ka lang naman doon. Parang hindi naman na siya pala. Hindi na siya worth it. Mahal pala doon. Bye-bye. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye na. Diyan na. Bye-bye.